Here is a short video, another video, of Cali and Mozart's 9 puppies, born on May 5th, in major play mode. They're coming up to 7 weeks. Post-vet visit, of course, went very well, no surprises. They all weigh between 5 and 6 pounds, and that's all normal for this stage. You see the bricks in the corners. They're little anchors. They're trying to dig their way out. It always happens at the end. They're fed up with being in this box. But with 9, I have to have a crowd control. They're all really hyper because I had the pen sectioned off when I was changing it. Little monsters, aren't you? And they all have their moments. Very, 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 very cute. It's time for them to go, though. Very busy. Of course, when you take your little puppy home, he'll be sweet as quiet, good as gold by himself. And this is good. Yeah, see? Very different from when they're on their own. Hope I get everybody's puppy. There we go. Way too hot. Way too hot to put them out. This week's been crazy with the weather. 30 degrees all week. So I don't put them out. I will just before everyone picks up the puppy, and that's only going to be a couple hours in the shade and all that good stuff in the back. But other than that, they're inside. I wouldn't even sit out there. Too hot for me. And it's really neat. Like I said, in the morning I wake up and they're over here sleeping. Oh, I think we're going to have some poopies here. See, and then they do their business on this side. And when I wake up in the morning, all this side has little poops. There's 9 of them. And they're all over here. They're starving in the morning. You should see the food I'm going through. See? Okay, I'll clean that up. And then they'll go over to the other side. It's instinct. See? I'll go over there and want to play over here. I better get some paper towels. That'll be your best friend at your place. Paper towels and cleaning solution. I better get that before they step in it because there's 9 of them. Whoop. Oh, there's no bricks there, eh? Trying to get underneath. Oh, well. Okay, well, for sure. That's it for now. Bye-bye. See you soon.